We have a very sleepy, varied thrush. And it's a girl, and it's just been snoozing, and it's yawning. It's been snoozing on the fence. It's very cute. I think it's been there 10 minutes. And it started blinking its eyes in that sleepy way that birds have. I used to be a bird owner, so I know how it goes. Oh, look at that, eh? Look at that. I think she's going to fly away. Oh, there's some more flying down now. Oh, she says maybe, maybe. Shall I fly down? Shall I fly down? Yep, there she goes. Oh, there's another guy down here too. There's a lot of guys down here. Just follow where the movement is. Our yard is thrush heaven, but they fight a lot. They're always at each other. Oof. Thrushy, be nice. See these two, I bet they're going to fight. What do you bet? I think they are. That's what they always do. A big fat male. Oh, there's a whole bunch more flying in. A whole bunch more. You just see them hopping along. Oh, oh. Yeah, I think they saw me.